everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a mask without sewing. All it considers is cutting, measuring, and that's all. So you can use leggings or a long sleeve shirt to make this mask. So let's get to it. I'm about 11 inches, so I'm gonna be measuring 11 inches from 0 all the way to 11. So I don't need to mark it because it's right at that line on my sweater. So now remember, you want your fabric to be straight when you cut it and move your hand along when you cut. If it gets stuck, you gotta stop, straighten it, and then start cutting again. Now since we're done with this, we have this. But we don't need this part, so we're gonna cut it off as well. And make sure it's flat. Now if you wanna keep it, I have an idea for you. Bracelet. Alright, and if it doesn't fit you, pull it all the way up here. Alright, so now we're gonna be measuring 1 inch on each end. So we're gonna take our ruler and we're gonna measure about 1 inch. Yikes. I cannot mark it. Okay, so I can't mark it because it's so dark, but it's about right here. So we're gonna snip it so we don't forget. But now we're gonna see how tall it is. So 1 inch is up here, so we're gonna actually cut it all the way up there. Like that. Now we're gonna do the same thing over here. We're gonna measure the width. And when you measure it, this time you want to go to the 1 and then you find it at 0. And now we're gonna, so it's right here. But then we're gonna find the width of how it is. So it's right here. So we're gonna cut it. There we go. Now we're gonna turn it over like that and do the exact same thing. There we go. Now we're gonna do it the other side. Right there. There we go. Now you see it has the seam right here. We're going to open the mask. You get one of the layers. You're going to shake it and make sure you get the seam in the middle. Like this. See? Like that. And now you can measure it to your face. Oops. There we go. So it fits me perfectly. And now I'm gonna get the coffee filter. So we're gonna flatten the coffee filter out, fold it in half, fold it like this, and then you're gonna hold it like you're eating a taco. You're gonna open it, just like push it in. You're gonna let go of it, take your other hand, bring it in, and then pull it in so you got your mask your coffee filter in. Oops, looks like the sim got out of its place. There we go. Now we have to redo it, put it back in, push it, let it go. There we go, pull it in, put a flat in it, and then, ta-da, you got a mask without, and you don't even need a sew. And look, if you use both sleeves, you get a short sleeve sweater. How cute is that? You get something that's cute, and you also get a handy mask. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye.